As we are getting ready for the possible impact of Isaias on our coast, want to make sure that you are staying ahead of the storm.
State officials and the Red Cross urging you to have an emergency plan in place. CBS 7 Jamie's Price is live at the Red Cross with why those emergency kits and those plans will need to be a little different this year.
Randy, this hurricane is hitting in the middle of a global pandemic, so the emergency kit will need to include face mask, hand sanitizer, along with some gloves. So you're already going to have your batteries and waters and things like that, but now you'll need to add a few more items into that emergency kit. Also, because Hurricane Isaias is hitting in this pandemic, things are changing as it relates to shelters. Since fewer people will be allowed in shelters, they'll need more buildings. The Red Cross is working closely with the state officials to help in that effort. Although they're planning to have shelters if needed, the state wants people in hurricane-prone areas to make plans to stay with friends, family, or in a hotel. Shelters should be your very last resort.
Staying at a shelter will not be a good primary option during the pandemic and should only be a last resort.
Now, if hurricanes impact the North Carolina coast, you're being told to evacuate as soon as you're told to do so, not to wait in this instance. Also, coming up in the next 30 minutes, I'll explain to you why there's now a need for Red Cross volunteers and how you can help out during this hurricane. Live in Raleigh, Jameez Price, CBS 17 News.